Hello and welcome to my 5th free WordPress blog tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to actually put fields into our contact me page, because right now it's just blank and there's no way for people to contact you. And we're also going to create a menu so that those pages that we created the other day are visible and we can actually see them. So, because that's the point. So, what you're going to want to do first is go to Site Pages. Click on these little dots here next to Contact Me. Hit Edit. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is make sure you have your cursor underneath your text and hit Add Content. I'm going to hit Add Contact Form. All right, so this is all the things that the people will have to fill in order to contact you. You can require their name. You can also edit it and change that. And you can decide whether or not it's required. I want it to be required. So email, that should be required just because then people just can't randomly contact you. And then if they contact you, you can contact them back because they gave you their email address. Website, that's unimportant. I don't need them to give me their website. The comment area, that is very, very much required because if they don't leave a comment, then how am I supposed to know what they want? All right, and then hit insert. And there you go. And then this will be here so on your website so people can fill in these fields and hit submit and then contact you. And this is very optional. You don't really need this, but I thought it was cool. I'm going to add a featured image for this page. Let's see. Let's pick this one. It's a picture of my cat in a Halloween costume. Yeah, she hated that. Poor cat. Okay. I haven't done it to her since. Like, I've never put that costume back on her again. She hates it. There we go. Update. Page updated. Cool. All right, close. All right, now on to creating a menu. So you're going to want to hit Customize. And then we're going to click on Menus down here. And then Create New Menu. And pick a name. Your name is not going to be displayed. It's just so like if you created more than one menu for some reason, then you'd be able to tell the difference. So I'm going to call this Main Menu. Perfect. All right, so I want this menu to appear on the header. And then hit Next. And then you have to add items. Plus. And then I want About My Cat. And then I want Blog. And then I want Contact Me. Wait, probably don't want this one actually. This one. This is the one that we made. Do not click on this one. Click on this one. And then I can drag it up here if I want. Perfect. There. So now, look at there they are! So now I can click on them and go to them. About My Cat. Yeah, there they are, see? Told you they exist. They are real. Here's the Contact Me page. There you go, see? Perfect. And then that's pretty much it. You just have to hit publish. There we go! Yay! Your menu has been created. Awesome. We got done with that really fast. So I'm going to continue on. And we're going to, you notice here, the home page like the very first page that people see when they log on to our site is this. And this is not our home page. If you click on home, it'll bring you to the actual home page that I created. The reason why that is because they're putting the static page, the front page is going to be like your latest posts, and we didn't post anything. But we don't like that. We want it always to be this page. The home page should always be this page. So what you're going to want to do is click Customize. Homepage settings. And then here you're going to switch it to static page. And then you're going to click it, change it to I want it to be home. And then for posts page, so this is the page where all your blogs are going to be on. We're going to pick blog because that's where we want all the blogs to go. Perfect. And then right now this image is for blog. All right, publish. Yay! All right, here's what our site looks like so far. I click on home, Hope's blog, and then our home page, and then about my cat. And then blog. Nothing found. Contact me. There it is. Yay. Cool. So that about wraps it up for this video. In future videos, we will get to some more customizing, adding some blog posts, adding some widgets. Those are always really cool. So, yeah, I'll see you next time. Have a great day.